Facebook. Today it's down 4.6%. If you look at it, I will zoom in a little bit more. It was staying above 200. We slipped below. Now, pretty much recent lows over 189. We're hovering around that level. So it might have a small green day tomorrow, maybe, and then it might resume the flush down more, or it can just straight flush down tomorrow all the way to $180 level. $180 level support is from 2019. So if you look at the weekly chart, that's where I'm looking at. Basically 3 quarters in a row it did report earnings. They reported earnings and stock stayed above, somehow above 176, okay, to be precise, 176, 180, this range, and it bounced off of that level many times. So, and also if you look at the moving averages, well, stock is still below all of its moving averages. This blue line right here is a 5-day, below 5-day. Well, so momentum, I wouldn't bet on momentum changing until I see the stock above 5-day. And this blue line right here is a 20-day moving average, 211 at the moment. So stock below that level. And also from its highs, I don't know how much it's down. Maybe it's already 50% high, from its highs. And today, if you look at the heat map of NASDAQ and S&P 500, well, Facebook is not alone, okay? So it's coming down with the market. Facebook 4.7 at the moment, Google 2.5, Nvidia 4.5, even Microsoft is about to be 3%, and Amazon 4%. So, and just to track these big names, there is a ETF index actually. FANG index. So if you look at that index as well, let me go 2 years back and look at this index. We're slipping, well, we're making new lows actually. Very recently we bounced off of 5600. Let me switch to weekly chart actually, just so we see it more clearly. So pandemic lows around 2500, we run up all the way to 8000, and now 5900. So it can come down to 5500. That's where I will be looking at possible bounce play if I measure what's the 20%. So basically looks like FANG officially, this index, well, thanks to Netflix and Facebook, I believe, because those are the ones underperforming, and Amazon as well underperforming. Apple must be the strongest, and Microsoft doing well, but everything else just dragging down this index, and it's officially in a bear market. At the moment, from its highs, it's down 26%. So yeah, it can definitely come back down to these next level of support, which would be 54.70, and then lower at 5,000, give or take. And if you look at the NASDAQ, basically NASDAQ can come down all the way to 1200 as well. So if you look at the NASDAQ 100 index, at the moment we're trading around 13,550. Well, we can come down from that level even more. So at that point Facebook would come down probably to those 180, 176-ish areas. So it would, if we drop on a NASDAQ 100 another, well, 1,500 points, that would be 9% drop. So that's a big drop, but that's where I would consider going swing pretty much long any tech name at this point. But at the moment, that's what I'm watching. Market looks, momentum looks to the downside. We have CPI data coming out this Thursday, and if inflation is pretty high, people are gonna get scared again. So all right, that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.